Hey guys, welcome back. Are you guys into Korean dramas as well? These days, I'm all about the extraordinary return of Jung-un. Today, we're gonna try this Korean kimbap that Jung-un's friend Dongrami made for Jung-un. First things first, let's start with our ingredients. We need 2 bowls of rice, 2 sheets of kim, 2 slices of ham, 2 slices of cheese, 2 eggs, kimchi, lettuce, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of perilla oil, and 1 tablespoon of soybean oil. These are the ingredients needed for 2 people. If you find it hard to cook rice, just buy them from the H-Mart. Also, it'll be hard for you to make fried kimchi as well, so get them from the H-Mart as well if you can. Now, mix your rice in 1 tablespoon of perilla oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, slice your kimchi. Make sure the sliced kimchi is about the amount of your fist for 2 people. Add 1 tablespoon of perilla oil and 1 teaspoon of sugar to your kimchi now. Next, fry your 2 eggs on the frying pan. Add a little salt if you want. Make sure your eggs are fried for sure, not the sunny side up. Now, warm your hands. It's better if your hands are a little bit thick because they're for kimbap. Warm them from top to bottom. Let's go back to our kimchi and fry them. If you bought fried kimchi at the H-Mart, you can skip this part. Pour some cooking oil, put your kimchi in, and fry them until its color changes into a little brownish red. Those skip the part because you already bought fried kimchi. Just make sure that you get the water out of your kimchi by squeezing them. That's it, guys. We're done preparing the ingredients. It's time to make them into a kimbap. You need kim for kimbaps, which are a little bit thicker than the usual ones because they are baked. Cut the kim into 4 squares like here. Cut them to the middle, not all of them. Now, halve the kim to a tray and make a snowball out of your rice with the size of your fist. Spread the rice on the square 1 and 4 like you did here. Now, put your eggs on this side and kimchi on this one. If you add cheese, it's easy to shape them because it's sticky. Now, follow the screen by folding the sides in order. But I found that it's hard to make it like the drama because my kimchi kept falling down. So for the next one, I changed the location of the rice to square number 3 and 4. Also, I added the ham and lettuce. And add your egg on them. Again, fold the kimbap like we did. The kimbap that the drama showed keeps falling down, but now that I changed the location of the ingredients, it's much more stable. Although now guys, it's actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Alright then, enjoy your kimbap. Thank you!